Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my clear skin, and then I have my sugar, and after that I'm going to show you my coconut oil. So this is the coconut oil that I use. It's natural and I just use 1 spoon of this coconut oil. And then after that I go ahead with my honey, and my honey is not processed, so it's actually natural. So it comes in another different bottle, so it's just the bottle isn't preserving the honey. So this is the honey that I use. I just use 1 teaspoon of honey. And then after that I go ahead and use my baking soda. This baking soda has a lot of good effects on our skin, and I'm just going to leave it down below the description section so you can see the benefits of baking soda. And after that I'm going to be putting my green tea water, and this green tea water is actually just any green tea that I have soaked and then left it a while. Like I soaked this green tea and I left it for like 30 minutes. So I'm just going to add a little of this green tea water. You just need to add this, but I think I added too much and you need it to be quite watery. So you just need to add very little of the green tea water. Then I mix them well.